Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to remove filter from TikTok video. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon and it will open your camera. Then tap on Effects. You will see a bunch of effects here. Choose the one you like. Once you have added the effect, then make a video with the following effect. Now I want to remove the filter that I used in this video. What I can do is tap on this effects button again, and as I tap on the effect button, you can replace this effect with any other effects which you want to use. Another thing you can do, if you do not want any filter on the video, is to tap on this button right over here. Then that video is going to remove this filter. Now tap on the check button at the bottom right side of the screen in order to save the changes. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.